Every project begins with a paradox. You have 1,000 ideas, but you need a single cohesive vision. Usually we turn to Pinterest or traditional mood boards, but those are static. They show us what already exists. Today we are examining Google Mixboard, an experimental AI tool that not only stores images, but also synthesizes them. For architects, this is a game changer for the pre-design and programming phases. In this video, I'll show you how to access the tool, how to use it to refine your concepts, and whether it's time to add it to your workflow. Getting started is simple. Search for Google Mixboard or go directly to the URL. Once you're on the landing page, click Get Started. You'll see sample projects and your recent works, but for today, we're going to click New Project to start from scratch. The best part, Mixboard is free, making it accessible to any designers who want to experiment. Let's start with mid-century interior design. I'll prompt the AI to design a living room in a mid-century style. Within seconds, Google Mixboard uses Google's Nano Banana model to generate dynamic ideas. Unlike Pinterest, where we're stuck with static search results, these options are generated in real time. It's a much more fluid way to search for inspiration because you aren't just looking for images, you're generating them. The real power lies in how Mixboard handles relationships between images. Let's take this generated image of two chairs and this separate image of fabric texture. By selecting both and typing the prompt, "Add the brown fabric to the chairs," the AI revises the original image. In seconds, it applies the texture to the specific furniture. This allows for a level of iterative refinement you simply can't get on other platforms. You aren't stuck with one option, you can keep improving the design. Once the image is generated, you can also perform other tasks. If you like a direction but want to see more, click more like this. Here, the AI generated two variations of the chairs placed near windows, maintaining that mid-century aesthetics. By pressing this option, you may regenerate the previously generated image if you wish to make any modifications. In my instance, a technical issue caused the regeneration process to stop. Let's try this one more time. Within 10 seconds, you'll have a fresh perspective with a different color or context. Let's try merging ideas further. First, let's arrange these images. I want to add a specific table lamp to our second image. I'll select both and prompt "Add this lamp to the table." What's fun about this AI is that you can just start merging different ideas to generate a new one. You can see that it added the generated image here. I'm scaling up all three images to do the comparison. Notice that the AI didn't just Photoshop the lamp in, it understood the physics of the scene, creating a realistic lighting effect that spills from the lamp onto the table surface. This spatial awareness makes the generated concepts feel grounded and realistic. Additionally, you may click on Edit Annotations. I won't go into further detail, but I believe the purpose of this tool is to manually record some changes so that we may provide further prompts for design modifications. Let's create another project. This time I'm going for the exterior inspirations. Let's say I want some elevation ideas to design a new modern house in the countryside. I'll prompt the AI for elevation ideas for a new modern house in the countryside. I'm starting to see different elevational options here. I can say the AI is generating all these inspirations very fast. Once we have a form we like, let's test the atmosphere. I'll scale the image up and type, "Give me the nighttime render of this image." The result is impressive. It doesn't just darken the sky, it realistically lights the interior spaces and maintains the building's geometry and site context. Next, I want to apply the previously generated texture image to the wooden portion of this house. So I select these two images and type, "Apply this texture to the wooden portion of this residence." It successfully generated another image with the texture I have selected, but this time the texture doesn't match the real texture in the image. What it actually did this time is that it just rotated the original texture of the wall of the residence. This is because the residence wall has the same texture as the one selected in the image except for the color. Let's experiment with one last thing before we wrap up. Let's look at architectural synthesis. I have two different residence types here. I select them both and write, blend these two architectural elevations to create a new style of elevation. The AI performs a design charrette in seconds, blending the volumes and forms of both houses into a unique third option with a sophisticated composition of volumes. This is the power of Google Mixboard. It moves beyond the saving of ideas into the creation of ideas. By merging prompts and images, you create a dynamic experimental environment that Pinterest simply can't match. If you want me to experiment with more specific prompts like in the previously uploaded videos of Google Nano Banana and Google Nano Banana Pro, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.